I'm Babu Owino, Member of Parliament, Embakasi's constituency. I want to give my position on the KYPA status. That is the Kenya Young Parliamentarians Association, the status as it is. The Speaker did make a communication on the new officials of KYPA, and this has been rendered useless. This is balderdash, nonsensical, gibberish, and it has caused a lot of consternation, discomposure, and discomfiture of spirits. Oh, it has also caused a lot of discombobulation of spirits. And as the Secretary General of KYPA, the other day I did say that I resigned. I wanted to test and see my enemies in KYPA. There is nothing like resignation as the Secretary General of KYPA. I will give a way forward on what should be done in KYPA. The Registrar of Societies did write a letter, did communicate to KYPA that whatever was done, the sham elections, is not recognized. It is not legal. Therefore, the coup that was planned by some members in KYPA will not hold. As the Secretary General, I will expel 5 members without trial from KYPA. They will stand expelled from KYPA without trial. I will draft a letter soon. And if you go by the letter that I've given the members of the media, members of the press, look at that letter that has been drafted by the Registrar of Societies. Only the Secretary General shall call for elections. It is only the Secretary General that shall write a letter to the Registrar of Societies, duly signed, notifying the Registrar of the changes that are made. Any other thing that is being made is considered as a scandal sheet. So the final communication will come from me. As we speak, there is nothing, and we still recognize Honorable Eric Wamumbi, the Madeira MP, as the duly elected chairman of KYPA, and Babu Owino as the duly elected chairman, Secretary General of KYPA. The others, read the letter. So if you know that you are forming, if you know that you took place in the coup, know very well that you are expelled from today without trial from KYPA.